Na na oh na na. Na 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 na. Say everybody sing na 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 na. Smiley.
Say on the bike, oh na na.
You know that drone ang ba na throw it?
Yes. Oh na na. So welcome to the Big Lou Nano channel. I'm Big Lou, baby. Where's Unano? Nano?
Unano! Hello! I'm back!
So tell everyone what we're doing today. What's going on?
I got no idea.
You haven't. I have no idea. You do know. Okay, listen. It's simple. I miss Black Beauty. You saw the bike. She got stolen. We've replaced her with the 1199, but it's not the same. I miss Black Beauty. Do you miss her?
Yes.
So what we're gonna do? We're gonna get her back, aren't we? And how we're gonna do that? I'll tell you how we did it. We bought the world, not the UK, not London, the world's cheapest Panigale. Cheapest in the world. I dare you to find one cheap. So I'm rather happy with myself. You happy? Okay, so what's happening now? Let's keep it short and sweet. We've got the guys coming to deliver it now. To be honest, we've bought it and we haven't even seen it. So it's a bit of a risk, but I like a gamble. So you feeling confident?
I think there's no wheel in the front.
There's no wheel, that's in Morocco. We're in London, that's in Morocco. Right, listen, we could have done with a hand with this because we can't do it by ourselves. So we made a phone call and here they are.
Yay!
Production team is here, so we're ready, guys. We're gonna grab it from Ed's side. Like when we check the camera, we're gonna bring it from here. Then we're here. We have two teams, and everybody's ready. Thank you.
Yeah, we have been studying statistics and all that all night, you know what I mean? From all deliveries, all what we need to spend on the bike and everything. It's not easy job, but someone has to do it.
So Yusuf is gonna be there, everybody can, everyone works.
Yeah, exactly.
That's how we're gonna do it. Okay, so.
Maharaba! Shukran!
Outside the contest.
Yes, it's just, right, okay, let's do it.
You can't hold me back, you can't hold me down. Put me in the game, gotta get it right now.
So the bike's just here. I'm rather excited. You excited? I already know it's good. I already know it's good.
But it's not black.
Not yet.
On me, you know I'm the one and only. All them other ones is phony. Moving like a drum, I'm on beat. Whoa, yeah, you could put the pressure on me. I ain't never getting cold feet. Straight tie where I'm gon' be. I got no time to debate. I put my reps in like every day. I keep it moving, I don't like the way. I just keep adding these wins to the plate. I ain't worried about a setback. With a loss, I'ma get back.
Would you like to do the honors? Would you like to do the honors?
I will say no, bro.
Come hold me down, put me in the game, gotta get it right now. You can't hold me back, you can't hold me down. Put me in the game, gotta get it right now. You can't hold me back. You can't hold me back.
Because it's new or something?
Everywhere I go, the people really wanna know who I is and who I be. They stop and stare when they see me. If I said it once, no need to repeat. Run up on me, watch you fall to your knees. Tip my hat when it's time for the kill. Ain't no beast when you're really real. I am the boss, I am the dawn. I am the one they call Lucky Charm. Got my own shit, I don't need your farm. Life was so hard, it made me weak. Built to last, this girl ain't weak. Sturdy and still when I plant my feet. Got it out the mud, now it's racks in my sleep. Look to God, he supplies my needs. Endless faith is what brought me next level prosperity.
Hello, my precious! This is my new bike. New bike, but it's old.
Woof. Double trouble. I got one. I had to get one for Unano.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
It suits you. You look sexy, baby.
Yes. But
So-
I don't know how to run the bike.
Can you reach the
I
floor?
can't reach the floor.
What are you gonna do?
Oh, I'm gonna crash. I can't reach.
What are you?
There's a scratch on this. So this is the Panigale 899. and we're gonna change it to Unano.
Yes.
Unano 999.
Yes.
Unano 666.
Unano 6.
Yes.
This is our new baby. This is a new part of the family. It's going to look completely different from what you're seeing at the moment. So the plan is we're going to bring Black Beauty back. We're originally going to do it for the Satan over there, but we love her in red. So our Road 899 was tragically stolen. But the plan is, yeah, we're going to bring her back. I need some carbon fairings.
I heard carbon fairings.
Oh, Maroki.
It's like the ladies that come to the boxing match, like.
This is like this is like the subscription for Amazon Prime.
I like this. Okay. That's technical. That's
Boring.
too much technical stuff. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna strip it. We're gonna put some money
Make it,
and make it rain.
Excuse me.
And then we're gonna change it to like completely different setup. So it's gonna become from what it's gonna go from white to carbon fiber, like fully carbon fiber, and I believe that it's gonna be like crazy.
What do you think? Do you like it?
Of course I like it. This was gonna be my bike, but he stole it from me. Oh, never.
What do you think of the wheels, Maroki?
For now, they're good with the color, but if you change this to black,
It needs to be carbon wheels.
needs to be
doesn't it?
carbon.
If I'm honest with you, I quite like the white.
me too.
Do you like the
Me
white
too.
with the red?
Me too.
But to be honest, I could do quite an easy repair on this.
And
change the
I
panel?
would suggest if you do that first. And
What, to
leave
keep it
for
white?
like, yeah, leave it for like 6 months until you get bored of it, and then change it.
What about these? You talked about these wing mirrors. You like these wing mirrors?
Not the
Not this particular one?
Yeah, but this particular
But
style.
better.
This style is better.
Hobbs, come please. Let me show. This one's a
And
big
this
one.
one is short.
Explain that. So Maroki let's bring in the expert about the short lever.
Yeah, it's just because if you want to pop a wheelie, we call it pop a wheelie. And the fact to pop something, you need something that is short, like a short handle.
Like Unano.
So exactly. So Unano, to pop a wheelie, you need 2 fingers like this, and for you to do it on a shorter hand, it's gonna be easier. But if it's long, you're gonna be putting 4 fingers, and then it's gonna be a little bit tough to take them off when you're doing the wheelie. Because when you do a wheelie, you don't need just to hold this one. You just need to put it here. So first, you just need to pop it and then hold this.
Hold it
And
and
it's
then-
it's easier when it's short. With this one, if you want to do it, see how many fingers on there? I have 3. It's gonna be hard to.
Okay, so 3 fingers here.
3 on the brakes, because you don't need to
And then
pop it.
this one.
But for the
Two
clutch,
fingers
you need to pop it first.
They're gonna do wheelie, Unano.
Don't forget to subscribe.
She's already doing a wheelie. Look.
I don't know.
She's already doing a wheelie.
Maroki, you can see that we already modified this one completely.
Yeah.
We're going to be doing the same here.
This one will be changed and it will look like this one. And also for you see the side thing for the wheel.
Swing arms.
Yeah, swing arms. We're gonna take these
The twins.
here. So instead of having 2 side arms, we're only gonna have 1, same as this one, so that the wheel can be like
Exposed, yeah.
popping.
I'll be honest, I quite like the white.
I love it.
I love the white now.
Yeah.
You know what? I never thought I'm gonna like it, to be honest,
So
but in person it looks completely different.
Listen, you wake up in the morning and you're like, what do I crave today? What mood am I at? Red means something, you know,
Powerful.
Passion,
yeah,
yeah.
bloody, you know. So I'm going for the red. But sometimes you're just in peace with yourself and you're like, wait a minute, I need something peaceful. So I'm getting the white today. And then when you're fed up with the white,
Then you want to go dark
you
mode.
go dark,
No.
dark night,
It
dark
has to
man.
be Dark Knight because Yusuf, you know, let me
I know.
let me
I
bring
know.
you in on this with Unano. Unano, what do you think first? Do you want it red, white or carbon?
All of the above.
Oh, good choice. See, that's why she's good, huh?
yes.
Yusuf,
We
you
could
saw
change it, mate.
you saw Black Beauty.
I saw Black
You didn't
I
get to
didn't
see it.
see
You
Black
haven't
Beauty.
seen Black
Yeah,
Beauty
I'd
yet,
seen.
but you know what I do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What am I going to bring to the table with Maroki?
Black Beauty.
Listen,
Beauty
I
has
would
to be
love
black.
to see carbon fiber like this one, but shinier. Like you
Shiny.
just-
I can
yeah.
make that more shiny.
Yeah, make it shiny because this one is like
This was
in a
matte, first, but
yeah,
I polished it a little bit.
Yeah, so change it from matte into like a
Fully.
fully shiny, needs to shine. But it says carbon fiber, and it's gonna be crazy.
And we're going to document this whole build. I don't think everyone's going to be quite ready for that. Really happy with the bike. To be honest, it was a bit of a gamble because we didn't even see it before we bought it, but it was worth it. Cheapest Panigale in the world.
In the world, I would say
in the world.
I'm calling all the everyone there in London. If you want this bike, you know where to get it. Yeah, that one and that one.
Where does she come from?
You can steal the bike.
now.
You can steal. I'm calling all the thieves.
Yeah, shout out to the thieves.
The fish.
I got 2 chains. it's parked right here. You know what I mean? Come and get it.
You bring it, and I still want my bike back and use this bike. And who else? Simone.
My future bike. I'm definitely buying a bike.
We want our bikes back. We want them back. But yeah, no, please.
So it's back.
Check it out because the build's going to be amazing, but it won't be this year. We're going to start it next year. As much as Maroki wants it now,
but we're going to
we'll
take you
wait.
on the steps with it. So that's the beautiful thing about it. We're going to take you on each step. Hope to show you everything we do. So
Step by step, baby.
Step by step, so that you try to do the same if you buy a Ducati someday. That was it for today. Thank you for being here. Don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe to Maroki Rider channel.
Oh! Live from London, UK.
Yes, calling all Filipino fans. Hello.
Hurry up quick, El Jefe's coming soon. Sit up straight when she enters the room. Be enthused, but don't look too amused. This is her queendom, please respect her rule. Hurry up quick, El Jefe's coming soon.